Okay, everybody look at the screen. So let's learn how to create the project. Mali, from the starting I am doing the same. Do practice one more time. Now I am creating the project Django apps. If I okay, listen. New folder, the folder name which I was created already. See, select the folder. This is the first step that we need to do. Understand? So every time whenever you are creating any web application or else Django application, anything, you should create one folder for this. The next one is Control J to open the terminal. So try to drag like this, okay? Next one, use Python. Tell me what is the command. If you already installed, it is not required. Only for checking the Python in our system, there are not. Initially. The next one is, next one, virtual environment, Python -m, VNV. See, why we are using virtual environment, everybody? To avoid the conflict of versions. So we are isolating our project in our system, which does not affect on conflicts of versions of Python. New versions, if you install new versions, which does not give any conflict. So Python, this project is having separate version. So in that same version only we need to run the project. If you are install next year, if you install another version, your project does not affect, which is having the same version 3.1, 3.3. Might you open the same project in next 2 years after, maybe the Python 3 becomes 4, might be, but the project version is same. So that is why we are keeping our project in one isolation place. That is clear, everybody? Without running up this version also, I mean this virtual environment also, the project still works. There is no problem. But this is safe to run the project very seamlessly. Okay, next one. So once you've done this one, so here we need proper network support, okay? Otherwise you will get this one. So we are installing this virtual environment from the Python. Python means from the website itself. You are installing virtual environment as a one of the small library. See here, installation is still, it is not completed. See, still it is there. So now what should I do? Python. See, this is not a this is not big deal, right? See here, how to activate this one? We need to use VNV /scripts/activate. See here, without even remember the, I mean text also, you can just think like this way: VNV /scripts/activate. So use the same words that they are in the left side. SCRIPTS/activate. So we are activated. Clear till now? Do you have any doubts? Activate chaser kada. So once you are completed this one, next one. So we should create the pip install, right? Pip install Django. D is a silent word. We can call it as Django. See, once you install this one, there is no fx will be conflicts inside of the application as folder. We are installing inside of the virtual environment only. Virtual environment means this is a separate space. You are allocating the space. If you are not installed, you will get lot of errors after you are running the project. Try to install this one. For installations also we need network connection, because this is the framework, right, which is collecting the data from the Python website directly. So we have some lot of servers. We are collecting the data from the servers of Python. Once you have done, then we should create the projects, Django projects. So let me understand. Django admin, start project. Tell me any project name. Huh? Any project, caption project. Blocker. Huh? AI. AI tutor. AI tutor. Okay. Let AI mentor. See everybody. AI tutor. మీరు కూడా మీరు ఏం చెప్పారు? AI blocker. అన్ని కలిపేస్తున్నాను. AI blog. AI blog. It's a what is an? This is the project name. మీరు AI చెప్పారు కదా? They are mentioning of the blog, right? Okay. Next one. What is the next one? What is the next step? See everybody. CD means why should I add the CD? This is my question. Why? Because this manage.py is inside of this one. Inside of this one. Manage.py, where it is? So here, where are you right now? Where are you right now? Path, where is the path here? Django apps, which is the main folder. We have to move inside of it. Path change here. You should change the path here. So we can call it as directory. The path is called it as directory. So మన folders ni directories అంటాం. cd ai blog. Next one. What is the next one after this one? Python manage.py, run server. Python see everybody, if you do create your own project, you should follow this all the steps one by one. Do follow all the steps one by one. Same steps you need to follow. Your caption project might be a mentor, or else anything related to the any of the application, right? You have to create like this. Django admin start project, the project name, CD, project name, Python manage.py, run server. So once you do this one, you will get one link right in the bottom. Are you getting the link or not? Control click or let's click on follow the link. See, you will get it right. This is your Django server. This is not your app. This is the Django server. Understand? Are you getting any point? Are you getting my point? Any doubts? So you need to create like this. First one. This is the first step. First one, you need to create the project. Next one.